Giant wood crushers play an important role in the forestry industry today. These devices not only optimize the wood processing process, but also contribute to environmental protection. Let's follow the operation of these advanced machines. Let's start with the most modern Vermeer HG6000 Level 4 crusher at Hezhou. With its rugged design and advanced features, this beast of a mill is built to handle the toughest woods with ease, keeping processing plants running non-stop. This is a close-up of the wood processing factory with the giant Vermeer HG6000 machine. With its powerful 755 horsepower engine, it easily tackles the toughest wood. Famous for its ability to operate quickly and process wood effectively, this wood chipper plays an important role in turning giant logs into valuable wood chips. This helps to create wood products and grow strongly in the world's current market. With its powerful motor and precise grinding abilities, the Carlton SP6016 effectively breaks down large stumps into fine mulch, clearing the way for new growth and development. Operating at impressive speeds, the Terex forestry machines can crush wood slices into small, contributing to balancing the natural environment to help the long-term development of forestry wood. Terex forestry machines can crush wood slices into small pieces in short time, contributing to the balance of the natural environment. Equipped with a TWD 1683VE engine, a 6-cylinder powerhouse delivering an impressive 585 kilowatt or 796 horsepower of raw power. The Volvo drum chipper easily converts large logs into wood chips for various applications. Equipped with an 88 horsepower Kubota diesel engine with a planing capacity of up to 6 inches, the Altec WC126 2009 drum chipper plays an important role in the woodworking industry. The Jensen JT600 plays an important role in the local forestry industry. With its sturdy design and impressive performance, it efficiently handles wood grinding. Next, the high-capacity Moorebark 83-inch wood chipper is a powerful machine in wood processing, effectively converting large logs into wood chips and meeting the needs of the forestry industry and human world. The Moorebark 30 RXL is a multi-purpose lumber mill, manageable pieces, meeting the needs of sawmills and wood processing operations. The perfect combination of wood crusher and crane turns large logs into small ones. It processes them in a short period of time with precision and speed. This giant machine is a big challenge for the forests. The Pezzolato PTH 1000M drum 656 horsepower, allowing efficient processing of large volumes of wood, turning them into valuable wood chips. The stumps were quickly scaled by the Vermeer HG6000 Tier 4 final, a force in the world of horizontal grinders. This advanced machine has helped people save time and labour health, and is also an important part in protecting the environment. With a compact design that can move on many 2009 drum chipper effectively turns wood into chips, creating favourable conditions for wood processing activities. With powerful grinding ability, the stump grinder can crush tree stumps into small pieces, helping to improve the soil as quickly as possible. The remote-controlled Carlton 7015 machine easily processed the stump in a short period of time. The Micro Morbark 40-36-16 blade advantage drum and powered by a powerful Cat C27 engine. It generates 800 horsepower. It efficiently produces 3 8-inch chips. The Bandit Beast Model 2680 is a formidable machine known for its reliability and power. It easily tackles woodworking jobs and transforms raw materials into valuable end products. With its advanced features and innovative design, the giant machine stands out as an important role in the forestry industry, making woodworking easy and effective. Equipped with advanced features and impressive power, combined with a massive crane, this machine effectively tackles wood handling tasks, ensuring smooth operations and high productivity. After being crushed, these pieces of wood will be transported to seedling farms and fields that play a role in agricultural development. Witness the meticulous wood processing of the sea market in efficiency and precision in the forestry field, ensuring maximum output while minimizing working time throughout the day. The Farmy CH380 combined with the New Holland TM190 has created a formidable duo in the forestry industry. The Pezzolano PTH 1400 M is equivalent 150 horsepower. It has 10 cutting blades, capable of chopping wood into 25mm chips. It plays a key role in wood processing operations. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. We promise to bring you more interesting videos, and I'll see you next time.